Good morning, students. Our new lesson, 12th lesson. C. Quadratials. Quadratials. What is quadratial? I said already so many times. See, quadratials. Quadratiles means that is the one of the polygon. See, a plane figure has four sides, four angles, four vertices. That is called quadratial. Now, what this one? This is a parallelogram. Now here see A, B, C, D. So this parallelogram has how many sides? Four sides. AD side, AB line segment, BC line segment, CD line segment, DA line segment. Here how many sides? Four sides. Next one. Here how many vertices? Here see, four sides. Next, angle A, B, C, D, four vertex. Next, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, four angles. Now here AB, BC, CD, DA, four sides. Point A, point B, point C, point D, four vertex. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, four angles. So this like a pictures we are called quadratials. Now this one parallelogram. This is one of the quadratial. This one rectangle. Parallelogram. Next, this one square. Next, this one kite. Rhombus. Next, this one trapezium. So these all pictures has four sides, four angles and four vertices. So these pictures we are called quadratials. Right, pictures. All are known diagonals. See, diagonals means opposite angles we are connected to the quadratial. This is the diagonal of the quadratial. Here see, every quadrilateral has how many diagonals we are drawn? 2 diagonals. So opposite angles we are connected to the line segment. We are draw the line segment. So this is called diagonal of the quadrilaterals. Next one. Now see, here we taking parallelogram. We are taking parallelogram. So 4 sides, 4 vertex, 4 angles we know. Next one here see, 2 sides of these parallelogram having common vertex, that is called adjacent side. Here see, now 2 sides AB, like a ABCD. Here see, like a ABCD. There 2 sides, what are they? AB one side and BC one side. Like a there AB one side and BC one side, their common one vertex. See, here in this quadrilateral AB and BC. See, now this is a 2 sides of a quadrilateral has common vertex. Here common vertex what? AB common vertex B, BC common vertex B. So here AB and BC common vertex B, common vertex B. So these 2 sides we are called adjacent sides. Adjacent sides. Here see, AB and BC. These 2 one adjacent side. Next see, AD and BC. AD and DC. So here common vertex what? D. Common vertex D. So now here see, adjacent sides. Adjacent sides AD and DC. There are adjacent sides AD and DC. We know opposite sides AD and these one, like there is no common vertex, that sides are opposite sides. Here AD and BC, next DC and AD, these both are opposite vertex. AD opposite side, BC. Next DC opposite side A. Next opposite angle, we know, see here angle B opposite angle D, angle C opposite angle A. Next, angle C opposite angle A. So write that one. Next, interior and exterior of the point. Interior and exterior. We know what is the interior, inner side. What is the exterior, outer side. So exterior and interior we are called in a picture has inside, so that is interior. A picture has outer side some points, that is exterior. Next one, interior and exterior of the quadrangles. This is a one quadrangle A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Now here see X, Z, K, M, L, O, P, Q. Here some points. Now you know, see X, K, M, X, Z. K, M, X, Z. These are interior points. These are interior points. Q, P, L, O. These are exterior points. So we know. So interior points means inner side. Exterior means outer side. Outer side points we are called exterior points. Inner side points we are called interior points. Next one, concave and convex quadrangles. We are seeing adjacent angles and opposite angles and adjacent side. We are seeing common vertex. Next to interior and exterior points. Next to convex and concave. Convex quadrangles. Convex quadrangles. Concave quadrangles. Convex. Here see, convex quadrangle is the one of the quadrangle. The line segment joining two vertices of the quadrangles in the same region. Now this is a one quadrangle. See, this is one of the convex quadrangle. There a line segments joining two vertices of the like a C. Now this is a one line segment. This line segment we are showing the inner side. So this is called convex quadrilateral. See this one, each angle of the quadrilateral below 180 degrees. Each angle below 180 degrees. So now here 180 degrees below, here 180 degrees below, 180 degrees below, 180 degrees below. This is convex quadrilateral. Now this one see. Here see, concave quadrilateral. See, this is one of the concave quadrilateral. Here at least one line segment joining. Now this is the outer, some of the outer side. So here each angle, one angle is more than 180 above, that is concave. See, this is how many degrees? 180 below. This is 180 below. This is 180 below. But this is 180 above. So this is called concave quadrilateral. So one angle more than 180 degrees. Simple, both one difference. Each angle is below 180 degrees, one angle more than 180 degrees. So that is one angle more than 180 degrees, that is called concave quadrilateral. Each angle below 180 degrees, that is called convex quadrilaterals. We are seeing two example problems. Example problems. Here see, the three angles of the quadrilateral 55 degrees, 65 degrees and 105 degrees. What is the fourth angle? Here see three angles given. Examples. Quadrilateral, sum of the all angles how many degrees is equal? 360. Here given three angles. They are 55 degrees, 65 degrees and 105 degrees. Let fourth angle we don't know. Let fourth angle X. Let fourth angle X. So sum of the quadrilaterals, sum of the all angles in quadrilaterals, how many degrees is equal? 360. See, sum of the all angles in quadrilateral 360 degrees is equal. Here given three angles given. So fourth one X. So these four angles we have added. 55 degrees, 65 degrees, 105 degrees plus X equal to 360 degrees. 55 plus 65, 120 plus 105. 120 plus 225 plus x equal to 360. Now x equal to these one moving this side, here plus symbol, LHS moving to the RHS side, so minus coming, 360 minus 225, so 135 degrees. Now fourth angle how many degrees? 135 degrees. This like a problems in this chapter. Right. Example problem 2. Here given quadrilateral total how many angles? 4 angles we find, we know. So that 4 angles we are adding how many degrees is equal? 360, that is we know. Here next, in a quadrilateral 2 angles given, they are given 2 angles of quadrilaterals. Here see 80 degrees and 120 degrees. Question. So 2 angles of the quadrilateral 80 and 120. Remaining 2 angles are same. So what is the third, fourth angle? What is the third, fourth? How many degrees? So here, so these 2 angles are different. Third, fourth are equal. First, these like a third angle, let third angle x, let fourth angle x. Why we are taking x? In the question they are asking 2 angles are remaining. Here given 2 angles, remaining 2 angles are x. So this one how much? This one also same. This one how much? This one also same. So both are, I will take x. Now see, sum of the all angles in quadrilaterals (360°). So here 80 plus 120 plus x equal to 360. 200 plus 2x equal to 360. Now 200 moving this side, 2x equal to 360 minus 200, 160. Now 2x equal to 160. So these 2 moving this side, x equal to 160 by 2, 80. So third angle how much? 80 degrees. Fourth angle how much? 80 degrees. So totally 160 degrees, that 2 angles, right? So next one, here next one, here given 4 angles, they are x minus 10, x plus 3, 30. See, x, one angle, x minus 10, one angle, x plus 30, one angle, 2x, one angle. So what try that one. Just try. See, example third one, last problem. So remaining problems, we are going to the exercise. Here given four angles. What are they? Given example 3. Given angles of quadrilaterals. Given angles of quadrilaterals x minus 10, x plus 30, 2x. So these four angles. So sum of the all angles in quadrilaterals. Sum of the all angles in quadrilaterals. How many degrees is equal? 360. So x plus x minus 10 plus x plus 30 plus 2x equal to 360. So now here see x plus x minus 10 x plus 30 2x equal to 360. Here 2x plus x 3x 3x plus x 4x 4x plus x 5x 30 minus 10 20 360. So 5x equal to these 20 move to RH side minus coming. So 5x equal to 340. X equal to 340 by 5. 5 6 jar 5 8 jar. So x equal to 68. Now x equal to 68. X equal to 68. X minus 10. 68 minus 10 how much? 58. X plus 30. So 68 plus 30 98. Next 2s. 2 into 68 136 degrees. Now one angle is a 136, one angle is a 98, one angle is a 58, one angle is a 68. So we find the four angles. So example 3 problems I said. So remaining we are going to the exercise 1. Now exercise 11. sorry, 12.1. There are 6 problems. See here. Exercise 1. First problem. In quadratiles PQRS, name sides, angles, vertex and diagonals. Next, also name of the pair of adjacent side, adjacent angles, opposite sides and opposite their angles they are asking. First one. Here see, one quadrilateral here given. This is a one quadrilateral they are given. Not that light not given. This like a given PQ RS. Here they are asking name the sides. So 4 sides this quadrilateral. Yes. What are they? PQ one side. Next QR one side. Next RS one side. Next SP one side. Next 4 angles. 4 angles. Angle P, angle Q, angle R, angle S. Just names they are asking. Next 4 vertex. Vertex how many? 4. P vertex, Q vertex, R vertex, S vertex. Ma, this is vertex. This is angle. Angle P, angle vertex P. That like. Next, diagonals. 2 diagonals. What are they? Here P R C. PR one diagonal. Next QS one diagonal. Next one they are asking another picture. Next another picture this like a given here 60, 80, 120. Here not given. Also all the pair of adjacent side, adjacent angles and adjacent opposite sides to opposite angles. Here see, adjacent side. What is the adjacent side? 2 sides has a common vertex, that is the adjacent side. Adjacent. Sorry, this is the second one picture. Adjacent sides. Adjacent sides what are they? PQ, PS and PS SR. And next and SR RQ Next, RQ, QP. These are four adjacent sides. Next, two adjacent. Next, adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. Adjacent angle. What is adjacent angle here? See, angle QPS. Angle P adjacent, angle S, angle PSR. Next, angle PSR adjacent angle R. So SRQ. Next, angle SQP, RQP, angle QPS. So these are adjacent angles. Next, opposite sides. Opposite sides. Opposite sides, what are they? PSQR. These are opposite sides. And PQSR. These are opposite sides. And opposite angles. Opposite angles. See, angle QPS, opposite angle, angle SRQ. And the next one, angle RQP, angle PSR. These are opposite angles, right? Like opposite angles, angle P opposite angle R, angle P opposite angle R, angle Q opposite angle S. Next one, there are three angles of a quadrilaterals given. Find the fourth angle. Before I draw the picture, that is. This is here 60, 80, 60, 80, 120. We don't know. See, given three angles of quadrilaterals. Given three angles of quadrilaterals, C 60, 80, 120 degrees. Let fourth angle. Let fourth angle X. So sum of the all angles in quadrilaterals Sum of the all angles in quadrilaterals, how many degrees? 360 degrees. So here 80 plus 120 plus 60 plus x equal to 360 degrees. 80 plus 120, 200. 200 plus 60, 260 plus x equal to 360. So 260 moving this side, x equal to 360 minus 260. X equal to 100 degrees. Fourth angle is equal to 100 degrees. Next problem, as is the angle of the quadrilateral in the ratio. Here ratio given 2:3:4:6. Here ratio given. What are the four angles? Right, that is. Next one. Third one. Here see, remaining 3 problems are homework. Here given ratio of quadrilaterals. Given ratio of quadrilaterals 2:3:4:6. Let angles of quadrilaterals 2x, 3x, 4x, 6x. Why? Here let angle is x. So ratio 2x, 3x, 4x, 6x. So sum of the all angles in quadrilaterals. How many degrees is equal? 360 degrees. So 2x plus 3x plus 4x plus 6x equal to 360. 2x plus 3x, 5x.